Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to be a police in Roblox Emergency Response Liberty County. So first, we're going to go to the app. Then we're going to search for Emergency Liberty County Response. Then we're going to click on the first tile. Then we're going to click play. So once we're in the gameplay, we're going to click the button in the top right corner, as you can see. Then it's going to tell us the teams we're going to select. We're going to select either police or sheriff. As you can see, the police is full, so we're going to go to the sheriff part and click the call out sign. So now we're in the sheriff's department. We can go to our locker and change our loadout. We can have different uniforms. As you can see, I chose one which is free. We can also go to the armory. As you can see, a list of ammunition we want. So as you can see, I go to the shield 9 and equipped it. So once we're outside, we can go and spawn a vehicle, a police car vehicle. So as you can see, the Chevion Antelope S is free. I purchased that. So now as you can see, we can ride the streets. We can also put on the police siren, as you can see, by clicking on the button right here. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, share for more. Goodbye.